million people suffer from autoimmune disease. One of those people happens to be Amy Lacey, the creator of Cali'flour Foods.
You are what you eat.
And I think the key to life in general is everything in moderation. Health is wealth, honey.
Welcome to the Cali'flour Club.
Cheers!
Hey Cali'flour fans, I'm here with the gorgeous and talented and young and adorable, incredible Rydel Lynch.
Yeah, what kind of intro is that?
That's amazing.
Girl.
Thank you so much.
Well, she is a busy girl. Everything from an online boutique to starring and singing with your three brothers in R5 and to like everything else. Acting, you do it all. So you have to stay healthy.
I do, yes.
To keep up with your busy schedule, right?
It's very important because I travel a lot and I always get sick when I travel. So I gotta eat clean.
So today we're here with Rydel and she is going to give us a really cool spin on Cali'flour Foods. We have the bagel crust here and we're actually gonna whip up like a breakfast bagel pizza.
I'm excited.
I'm so excited about this.
I love food. So
exactly, I love food too. But you're actually gluten-free and dairy-free,
yes,
right?
just recently, and those are my two favorite foods, so it's been a hard thing to do, but I'm really glad I did it. And I still indulge, obviously.
Right.
Cheat days, all that stuff. And I think the key to life in general is everything in moderation, so I just try to do that.
Okay, the key to life in general, this girl has got it nailed down. Okay, you're my mentor now. All right, let's whip up this pizza and then we can go have a chat.
Sweet.
Okay, so what are we gonna use here today?
Okay, we got some vegan cream cheese, chive and onion, my favorite. I love
so
chive and
good.
onion.
Okay, spread that stuff on there, girl.
This is gonna be good.
And then we got some onions. Some red onions, fresh red onions.
Do you like extra cream cheese?
Girl, I like extra everything.
Yes, okay, good. Glad
Except
we're on
for
the same
gluten.
page. Yep.
And so the cool thing about these pizza crusts is that it's only 6 grams of carbs.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, exactly. And the cool thing is that it's high protein because it's made with eggs and it's made with cauliflower, of course.
I love cauliflower.
And yeah, so this is just like the yummiest pizza that you can really indulge but not feel like you're, really falling off track.
Yeah, and these are good. I've had these before, like the cauliflower crusts. They're amazing.
Okay, let's whip up some tomatoes on here. How many? Do you like a lot of tomatoes?
Sure.
Okay, and then some of these.
Sure, I'm good
This
with
is
anything.
very colorful, just
It
like
is.
Rydel.
It looks beautiful.
Look at this pizza, so colorful.
Is this salmon? I don't even know what this is, but I'm putting it on.
Yeah, stick it on there. Let's taste a little bit of it to make sure what. Oh, yep, that salmon. That is delicious, actually.
Wow.
Yeah, throw a lot more
good.
of that on there.
Okay.
Okay, breakfast is about to be served. But before we do that, how about you and me go have a little chit chat?
All right,
and
let's
catch
do
up
it.
on life.
Okay.
You teach me all the things.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, Rydel, I have to say, you, first of all, you glow.
Oh, thank you.
You literally glow with like energy and things like that. But you take really good care of yourself. It's very important
I try
to you.
to, yes.
Yeah, why is it so important to you?
Well, it's important to me because one, I want to feel my best.
Right.
There was a strand of years where my stomach always hurt, I was always tired, so I was like, I gotta figure this out.
Yeah.
So I did like the whole food intolerant test. I figured out what I was intolerant to, and I just like being educated on it and trying to be as healthy as possible.
And it makes such a giant difference
Yeah.
when you make those small adjustments.
It
And the cool
does.
thing with Cali'flour is like, my favorite thing is that you're not sacrificing the taste. It's still so yummy.
Well, that was the hardest thing, is like, how do I find healthy food that also tastes good?
Right.
And for the longest time, I was like, I started cooking at home and I could make healthy stuff that tastes good, because I'm a big foodie. But yeah, I think that's the trick, is like, this tastes so good, and then you don't feel like you're eating healthy, but you are, so.
And you do everything. You are a musician, you play the keyboard, you sing, you're in a band with your 3 brothers.
3 brothers.
You have 4 brothers,
I have 4 total.
But you're in R5.
Yes.
Okay, so tell me a little bit about how this developed.
Okay, so R5 has been going on for about 10 years, which is crazy. So we started the band when I was 15 or 16, I think. 15, I guess, yeah. And then we just started playing shows. We were like a garage band.
I love it.
And we started playing shows just everywhere, fairs, birthday parties, all that stuff. And then it just sort of picked up. We worked our butts off.
And then it just blew up, is what she's saying, just blew up?
Yeah.
I love it. Okay, what's the most important piece of advice that you have as a role model to young girls?
I would say to love yourself which is hard to do. It like takes practice, you know what I mean?
I know, it
but
sounds easy
It
though,
sounds
doesn't it?
easy, but just, you know, take small steps to just always love yourself, and then you'll be confident.
Okay, well, your options are limitless. I have to tell you that this girl right here is who all little girls should be looking up to. And there's one little girl that's here today.
Hi.
That's so excited to meet you.
Oh my gosh.
Come here. This is my Harlow Monroe.
What do you have on your face, girlfriend? Give me a kiss.
Oh my
Say hi,
God.
Rydel.
Hi.
Hi.
You look
Can you
so
wave at the
pretty.
camera? Can you wave at the camera? Okay. Say bye, Rydel.
Bye.
Here, give me a kiss. Love
Oh
you.
my God.
Okay, thank you so much for being
Yes, of
here.
course. Thank you for having me.
These are the girls that you're inspiring.